Have you ever stood in the middle of a room you've lived in for years and suddenly felt tired? Not tired from cleaning, but tired just from looking at everything piled up around you? If that feeling sounds familiar, stay with me, because today we're going to fix it, one small step at a time. Clutter isn't just an eyesore. Research shows that clutter can subtly increase our stress levels, make everyday tasks more difficult, and even affect our concentration and memory, particularly as we get older. What's the good news? You don't need a family of 10 to help you with this. In this video, we'll go through every room in your home one by one and see exactly what you need to get rid of. Are you ready? Let's take a look around the house together. Let's start with the place where we chuck almost everything we don't know where to put it, your basement, storeroom, or garage. Number 1, broken tools and just-in-case items. A rusty drill that hasn't worked in years isn't going to suddenly fix itself. And for the sentimental boxes, remember the memory lives in your heart, not in the object. Digitize old photos and letters. Keep a few true treasures and pass the rest on to family who will cherish them. Number 2, tangled cords and outdated electronics. If you don't know what it charges, you don't need it anymore. Number 3, old bills and paperwork. Shred what's outdated, digitize what matters, and keep only tax and medical essentials on hand. Number 4, dead pens and dried out markers. Test them. If they don't write, they go straight in the bin.
Let's head to the bathroom now. Number 5, expired medications. Old prescriptions can be ineffective or even risky. Take them to a pharmacy for safe disposal. Don't just toss them in the trash. Number 6, half-used toiletries. Dried out lotions and one-use hotel soaps are just taking up shelf space. Use them up or let them go. Number 7, old, frayed towels. Fresh towels genuinely make daily routines feel nicer. Repurpose the old ones as cleaning rags instead. Now it's the bedroom's turn. Number 8, clothes you haven't worn in a year. Try the hanger trick. Turn hangers backward, and after 6 months, anything still backward gets donated. Number 9, worn out bedding. Thinning sheets and flat pillows affect your sleep more than you think. Fresh bedding is worth the small investment. Number 10, shoes that hurt or don't fit. If they pinch, if the strap is broken, if you avoid wearing them, they're not really your shoes anymore. Number 11, jewelry you never wear. Keep the sentimental pieces, pass down what matters, and let the rest go without guilt. Be honest with me for a second. How many things in your closet haven't seen daylight in over a year? Pause the video now and drop your number in the comments. I promise you're not alone. Let's go into the living room. Number 12, excess decorative knickknacks. Ask yourself, does this truly bring me joy? Keep your favorites, box up, or donate the rest. Number 13, furniture nobody uses. That chair no one sits in, or the wobbly side table, extra furniture makes a room harder to move through safely, and that matters more as we age. Number 14, worn out throw pillows. Faded, lumpy, flat as a pancake, they're not adding comfort anymore. They're just taking up space on the couch. Quick question for you. Is there a shelf or table in your living room buried under little items you barely notice anymore? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear what you find. And finally, we're in the kitchen, our sanctuary. Number 15, expired pantry items. Check the dates. That can of soup from 2 birthdays ago isn't getting better with age. Number 16, mismatched containers and lost lids. If the lid doesn't match, it doesn't stay. Simple as that. Number 17, too many mugs. We all have that one cabinet with 20 mugs and 3 we actually use. Keep the favorites. Number 18, old scratched cookware. Worn nonstick pans can release harmful residue into your food. It's worth replacing the essentials with 1 or 2 good pieces.
Here's the truth about decluttering after 60. It's not about throwing away your history, it's about making room for the life you're living right now. A lighter home means less stress, easier movement, fewer safety hazards, and honestly, more peace of mind every single day. If this video helped you see your home a little differently, do me a favor. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one, because we've got so many more simple, practical tips coming to help make life after 60 easier, healthier, and a whole lot happier. Thanks for spending this time with me. Now go pick one small thing, just one, and let it go today.